For years, we've consulted families around the benefits of Roth IRAs and Roth 401ks, and oftentimes, pre- and post-retirees, you feel late to the game. If I just would have known. Well, today I want to show you a little-known way to maximize your Roth IRA very, very quickly. Keep it right here. Good day, everybody. Chris Heerlein here, CEO of REAP Financial. Host of Wealth Radio on News Radio KLBJ every Saturday, 11 a.m., and host of Retire Ready TV here in Austin on KXAN. Thanks for making us part of your day. If you enjoy our channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Now, Roth IRAs and Roth 401ks have tremendous tax-free benefits, but a lot of people don't want to pay the price of admission to get in the Roth. What's the price of admission? Well, typically, when you put money in a Roth, you're not getting a tax deduction. Well, today I want to show you a little-known strategy, a little-known way to optimize your Roth IRA savings. Now, what this entails is an employer 401k. Many of you have been contributing to it for years, and if you're over 50, under today's law, you can max that thing out at $30,500. That includes a catch-up limit. Now, for those of you doing that, I commend you, but it may not stop there. As you're approaching retirement, maybe you're in your 50s, early 60s, this is typically when you got an empty nest, the kids are off payroll, and you're hammering your savings. You're really trying to stockpile. These are called after-tax contributions. You want to check with your employer or HR because many employers offer this option. Not all, but many do. And if yours does, you may want to consider after-tax contributions. So what this means is that you can max out your traditional 401k or your Roth 401k, and then you can put additional dollars in above and beyond that $30,500 limit. Now, the maximum under today's law that you can put in a traditional 401k or Roth 401k plan, it's a $69,000 limit. It's a huge limit, up to $69,000. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you're contributing to your 401k at work, you're over 50, you're putting $30,500 in your traditional IRA. You're getting a tax deduction on that contribution. That is income not showing up on the bottom line. But then, if you so choose, you could put an additional $38,500 into this thing, up to the total of $69,000. Now, the overage, that $38,500, that would not be tax deductible. It's still going to show up as income. Well, you may ask, why would I do it then? Well, obviously, you want to save for your future retirement, but this is where it gets interesting. Those dollars that will be designated as after-tax contributions. Come retirement, let's assume you've been doing that for many years, you can roll over the after-tax contribution amount that you've been putting in over the years into a Roth IRA. Think about it like a super Roth conversion, a mega Roth conversion. This allows you to front load your Roth IRAs upon retirement. Now, if you've been putting money into Roth 401ks, that's something that's readily available at most employers today. Believe it or not, that money obviously can be rolled into a Roth IRA as well. No taxes. But assuming you're doing the Roth 401k and the after-tax contributions, you could find yourself walking into retirement with a substantial amount of tax-free wealth that will forever grow tax-free, wealth that could be left to your heirs tax-free. But most importantly, when you go to live on it, it will never show up on the bottom line as income. You're in control of your Roth dollars. There is no required minimum distributions on Roth IRAs. It's a powerful account and one that's heavily underutilized. And this strategy today that I'm talking to you about can really help you get a jump start in the Roth game. So check with your employer, see if that's an option for you, and consider your savings plan and your tax-free retirement income. I talk about this and a lot more in our 10 retirement tips guide. You can get it right now off our homepage. Go to reapfinancial.com. That's reapfinancial.com. You can download it immediately to get in the Roth game and a lot more. Until then, all the best.